Okay, get ready. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click the 2010 Pie Chart tab. Click on the largest slice of pie. You can see data selectors around each of the pie slices. Click the Format tab, and in the Shape Styles group, click Shape Fill. Choose Red in the Standard Colors group. Notice that every slice in your pie is red. You do not want that. Click Undo. Click the largest pie slice again, and you should see data selectors only on the slice. Click the Shape Fill button in the Shape Styles group. Choose Red from the Standard Colors group. The Coffee and Espresso pie slices changes to red. Click the Column Chart tab. Click the tallest bar. Notice that the 5 bars have data selectors. Click the Shape Fill button and select red. All 5 bars in the legend color for Coffee and Espresso changes to red. Click the Shapes Effect button. Click Bevel and notice the options available. Click the first bevel option. Repeat this option for each of the data series. After selecting one of the 5 data ranges, click the dialog box launcher in the Shape Styles group. The Format Data Series pane opens with the Series Options button selected. Click each of the 3 buttons under the Series Option label and look at the choices. Click one of the Coffee Accessories columns. Click the Fill and Line button. Choose Fill and select Picture or Text Fill from the options. Click the Texture drop-down arrow and choose the Brown Marble option. Save the workbook.